40-minute full-body Tai Chi warm-up. 1. Centering and breath work, 3 minutes. Stand with feet shoulder-width apart. Relax shoulders, soften knees. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Let the breath deepen and slow. Visualize the body settling into the ground. 2. Joint loosening sequence, 8 minutes. Gentle, circular movements to lubricate joints and awaken mobility. Neck, 1 minute. Slow half circles, ear to shoulder. Avoid rolling the head fully back. Shoulders, 1 minute. Large forward circles, backward circles. Elbows and wrists, 2 minutes. Elbow circles with arms extended. Wrist rotations, palms up, palms down. Spine, 2 minutes. Silk reeling waist circles. Slow spinal waves. Tuck, roll up. Hips, knees, ankles, 2 minutes. Hip circles, knee circles with hands resting lightly on knees. Ankle rotations, alternating legs. 3. Tai Chi opening forms, 10 minutes. Slow, mindful movements to activate the whole body. Commencement, Qi Shi, 2 minutes. Raise arms slowly to shoulder height, lower with breath. Feel the movement originate from the legs and core. Parting the wild horse's mane for minutes. Step out to the side, shift weight, extend arms. Alternate sides with smooth transitions. White crane spreads its wings for minutes. Shift weight to one leg, lift arms in a gentle arc. Focus on balance and breath. 4. Flowing warm-up sequence, 12 minutes. A continuous, meditative flow to warm muscles and improve circulation. Wave hands like clouds for minutes. Sidestepping with circular arm motions. Keep hips level and breath steady. Brush knee and push for minutes. Step forward, brush knee, push forward with opposite hand. Alternate sides with slow, rooted steps. Repulse monkey for minutes. Step back, sweeping arms in opposite directions. Maintain a tall spine and soft gaze. 5. Energy gathering and closing, 7 minutes. Qi gathering, 3 minutes. Scoop upward with palms. Draw energy toward the lower abdomen. Slow, rhythmic breathing. Standing meditation, 2 minutes. Hands resting over the lower belly. Feel warmth and grounding. Closing form, 2 minutes. Lower arms slowly. Settle the breath. Finish with a gentle bow or moment of gratitude. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos.